In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete text messages on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your messages and let's open some conversation, for example, that one. And here, if I want to delete specific message, I tap on that, tap and hold, and here in that menu select more, and then I can select more than one message at once. For example, I need to delete these two messages, and then just hit on that trash icon to delete these two messages. Confirm that action, and that's it. Two messages was successfully deleted. And also you can delete the whole conversation at once. For that, let's select some conversation, let it be that one, then tap and hold on that conversation, and here we see delete option. I'll just tap on that and confirm this action to delete the whole conversation.